Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another small but mighty unboxing. This is the UGREEN 4-in-1 USB 3.0 card reader. It's to transfer and manage your data quickly and easily. We shall see. But the quad card reader is for SD, TF, CF, and MS. It is supposedly plug and play. It has 4 separate slots, I believe is how, if I'm reading this correctly. It's compatible with Windows, macOS, Linux, etc. Not sure what etc. means, but it works on etc. All right, let's open this puppy up. And then we're going to put it through its paces and see if it works. Okay. It was packaged pretty well. Oh, user instructions. And by the looks of it, it is plug it in, and that's it. Really plug and play. All right, 4-in-1 USB 3.0 card reader. But yep, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 different slots, but always use the safety remove hardware feature before disconnecting your memory card. Good to know. And it's in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, an Asian language, Netherlands, Svenska, is that Swedish? And Polish. Nice. And I think that pretty much says, please recycle, but I'm not 100% sure. Let's get this open. Haha. Dun, dun, dun. Ba-dum. Haha. UGREEN. Love that. MS, CF, and this is the side I'm going to be using, TF and SD. So let's go ahead, plug this thing in, and see if we can get it to work. Now that I'm at my studio, I did plug it in, and it does have a little power light there. Hopefully you can see that. The little blue light says power is on. Of course, here's where you have your memory stick and, of course, the big memory card. And over here is the side that I'm going to be using the most, which is the SD card and the mini SD card. This is a high-speed SD card. As you can see, it has 2 rows. So I'm going to plug that in. Hopefully it'll read it. Whoop. Looks like it's got to go upside down. Yep. Oop. And there it is. Open this up. Ooh, yes, it does view it. Here's the unboxing video. It's just trying to read it there. That works. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap this out. I'm going to put the little micro SD card in there. Okay, that goes up. And that is, oh, by the way, what it was reading was 256 gigabyte SD card. And this is a 512 gigabyte micro SD card. Push that in, and whoop, there it is. Popped right up. And let's see. Yep, it works. That's what I wanted to see. Well, I'm happy with my purchase. And then now, if I have any clients who have the larger type or the old memory stick, I can go ahead and download those as well. Awesome. Well, thank you for coming along with me to unbox, test out the UGREEN 4-in-1 3.0 card reader. And as always, have a great day.